In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair your USB stick to find missing files, like if you're trying to use it in a PS3 or other consoles or whatever, and you put it in there and you can't find the files that you put on in your PC. Try this little trick and it should help you out, hopefully, to get your files to load. Now, some of you guys are having problems getting the files to show up on your USB. I've had the same issue. What you want to do is come over here and find your feel for it. And before you eject it, you want to go to the properties, tools, and then check for errors and scan and repair the drive. It takes a few seconds to do it, maybe a minute or so. But I've found that if I do this before I put it in the USB, it'll either find an error and fix it, or it'll say no error and you know you're good to go. So we'll go ahead and let that load up. Find out whether or not we're good to go. Sometimes that last little second takes a little extra bit of time for some reason. Let me take a second to thank you for watching the video and hit that subscribe button, please. Okay, no errors, so we're good to go on this.